In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send data from Forms to Monday.com in Make. We'll walk through connecting your form tool to Monday.com so every new submission becomes a neatly organized item on your board. By the end, you'll have a reliable automation that saves time and cuts out manual copy-paste. First, you need to let Make talk to Monday.com using a secure token. Log in to Monday.com, open your profile menu, go to Administration, then API, and copy your personal AP token. Treat this like a password and keep it confidential. You'll paste it into Make in a moment so the connection is authorized. Next, set up the trigger in Make, which is what listens for new form submissions. If you're using Google Forms, add the Google Sheets module called Watch Responses, then select the spreadsheet where your form responses are stored. If you're using Typeform or JotForm, choose the Watch Events module marked Instant. Those use webhooks, so they push data into Make the moment someone clicks Submit. Click Run once in the scenario editor, then submit a test form. That sample is important because it lets Make detect your fields and makes mapping easier later. Now create the action that sends data to Monday.com. Click the plus icon to add a new module, search for Monday.com, and choose Create an Item. When prompted for a connection, click Add and paste the API token you copied earlier. Then select the board and the specific group where you want new items to appear. If you don't see your board right away, refresh the list or confirm your account permissions. With the modules in place, map the fields so your form answers land in the right Monday.com columns. For the item name, choose a clear main title such as a client or company field from your form. For the other column values, like email, date, or status, click into each field and select the corresponding entries from your test submission. Make sure the data types match, for example, using a proper date field for a date column. If a column uses predefined labels, pick form values that align with those labels to avoid errors. Finally, save your scenario using the floppy disk icon and toggle scheduling to on. Keep in mind, on a free Make plan, Google Forms checks for new responses about every 15 minutes, while Typeform and JotForm are instant thanks to webhooks. Do one more test submission to confirm everything flows correctly, and you're done.